Hello and welcome back to your own channel Career Swami, which helps you with your career journey. If you like what you see, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive future updates. Also, our Hindi channel Career Swami Hindi is available where we upload career and education related videos every day. So if you are someone who love Hindi and want to enjoy career and education related videos in Hindi, do subscribe to the Hindi channel. Thank you.
Hello, friends. Today we have Susmita, who is a very bright engineering student. She has cleared Wipro and Capgemini campus placement, and she is in final year of her electronics and communication engineering graduation. So let us hear from Susmita on her experience of Wipro and Capgemini. Also, she will share some light on her experience on CTS as well. So watch the video till the end to understand the strategy or the best practices which you need to implement so that you can successfully clear Wipro and Capgemini interviews. Welcome Susmita to Career Swami, and thank you for giving us your time so that we can share your experience which will help our subscribers and viewers immensely. So, Susmita, why don't we start by you telling or you giving us a brief introduction of yourself?
Hello. Firstly, thank you for having me. And I'm Sushmita Roy, and I'm from Kolkata. And I have done my schooling from Kamala School, and right now I am doing graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Future Institute of Engineering Management, which is in
Okay.
Kolkata. So yeah, that is
Okay. And you, I believe you are a 2020 pass out. You are going to
yes,
be passed out in 2020. Okay.
yes.
And how are you in studies, Susmita?
Good.
Good. Okay. Okay. Good. So let's quickly talk about what are the companies which came and in which year the companies started coming to your college.
Actually, from last year we had campusing started, and we had CTS on our campus, but unfortunately I did not get through. And after that I appeared for off campusing, and there was Wipro and Capgemini. So luckily I got through both of these
So,
companies.
so when you say off campus, does that mean that both of these companies came into some other college?
Yes, actually that was full campusing kind of. So
Okay.
yeah,
So which college they turned up?
uh, actually I forgot about Wipro,
Okay.
and Capgemini I had to go to Rajarhat Techno,
Okay.
Rajarhat
Uh,
Techno College.
Okay, and Wipro Capgemini has came in third year as well.
Third year, no, that was in fourth year.
Okay, uh,
Wipro was in last year October, and Capgemini was in February this year.
okay, okay. And what was the eligibility criteria? I will include CTS as well. So what was the eligibility criteria for all these three
All were
companies?
same actually. 60% all, matlab, all through 60%.
Uh-huh.
10th, 12th, and graduation.
Mm-hmm.
10th, 12th, and graduation 60%,
Okay.
and no backlogs. For Capgemini, there was no backlogs,
No
and for
backlogs
other
in
companies,
so, sorry, no backlogs in any semester.
yes, no backlogs in any semester for Capgemini, and for other two companies, 2-year backlogs.
So currently you are holding Wipro and Capgemini offers, right?
Yes,
Okay, so
yes.
many congratulations from our end on that, Susmita. And
Thank you.
quickly, so since you have cleared two companies, so were you preparing for it after you were not able to get in to CTS?
No, actually, I was preparing from the very first day, but
Uh-huh.
unfortunately, I didn't go through the CTS first round.
Okay. Okay. So how many days prior notice your college gave you about that about the company will be visiting to these campus or to your college?
Like for CTS,
I mean, yeah.
for CTS there was a notice 1 month before,
Okay.
approximately.
Okay. And how about Wipro and Capgemini?
Capgemini was just a sudden notice because we did not know that Capgemini is arranging such a full campusing. But for
Uh-huh.
Wipro, yes, there was 1 month notice kind of.
1 month notice. Okay. So we'll start with CTS. Okay. And so what happened? I mean, CTS came to your company. Was there any introduction given by CTS HR, CTS employees? How it was? Can you please take us step by step on that?
Actually, our first round was from our home. So we had to give the first round examination from our home using our laptop or desktop. So first round was from home, and from second round there was
So
an introduction by the company HR.
so what was the first round, Susmita?
There was aptitude round, there was logical round, there was a verbal ability round, and automata round.
Okay, so it was a written exam in a
Yes, written
on
exam.
okay. Uh, so was it on CTS platform or or they you got a
AMCAT
paper?
platform.
Sorry.
No, that was on AMCAT platform.
Okay. And how was the paper? I mean, was it tough? Was it
No,
medium?
it was quite easy. It was quite easy.
Okay.
Aptitude and logical was very easy. So
So
yeah, it
if
was easy.
so, if you recall, what were the major questions which came in aptitude? I mean, on which area?
Actually, the exam was on September,
Hmm.
so I don't really remember.
Okay.
But all that I remember that it was easy. Aptitude and logical round was easy.
Okay. So how many questions were there? You can recall that?
In aptitude section, most probably 15 to 16 or something like that.
Uh-huh.
In
Okay.
logical sections, also 16 questions were there. And in verbal ability, I really don't remember.
Okay.
Something like 22 maybe.
Okay. So was there any passing
Time
score
limit.
which was displayed instantly after you finished the exam?
No, no.
Okay, so what happened once you submitted, then after that you got a notice from college or the company that you have been through?
The next day, we got a result from our college. So
Okay,
there was a list
okay,
who passed the first round.
okay. Uh, so after that, what happened?
After that, I did not go to the first round. So
Okay,
yes,
so you are not aware of it. Okay, cool. Hard luck over there, not a problem. So then next came Wipro or Capgemini?
then Wipro.
Okay, so please take us what happened in Wipro from the very beginning.
Wipro actually was a full campusing, as I said.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So we had to fill up a form, and after that, we got a mail and message from their side about the venue and timing. So
Okay.
there was an examination, and the first round was basically based on aptitude, logical, verbal ability, coding
Uh-huh.
round, and an essay writing round was there. So that
So
was all about the first round.
so how was it first round? Again, easy, medium, or difficult?
It was medium.
It was medium. Do you recall any section in aptitude or verbal ability or reasoning? You can recall some
No,
of
but
them.
I felt that logical ability section was quite tougher.
Quite tough. Okay. Okay. And what about essay writing? What were the topics which were given to you?
I don't remember the essay topic,
Mm-hmm.
but yes, there was a time limit and there was a word limit. So
Okay.
I had to write an essay
Okay. And how
on
many
that topic.
questions were there in the aptitude and all these areas?
I don't remember
You don't
actually.
remember? Okay, not a problem. So what was the total time duration of this written exam?
Near about 1.5 hours all
A-
total.
Okay, and it was done how? I mean, on paper or it was again online?
Online examination.
Online. Okay, then what happened once you submitted?
So that was the first round, and after that, almost after 3 months, I got a bill that I have crossed the first round. So I have to attend the technical interview.
Okay,
So then there was a technical interview and HR interview on the
so
same
how
day.
how technical interview happened?
Our technical interview actually very easy. It was very easy. The HR just asked me about some basic questions on C, and he asked me to write a code on C.
So
So
they
the
were
program
so
was very easy.
okay. So the Wipro folks came to your campus for technical interview.
No, no, no. It was on another college. It was at Heritage, I think. Yes,
Okay,
at
okay.
Heritage College.
So after 3 months, so you gave in which month Wipro written?
October.
October. So in around in January they came up.
Yes.
Uh, okay,
No, on January I got the mail, and on February actually the technical interview.
okay. So so in the interview panel, how many people were there?
Uh, it was one and on interview.
Okay,
Technical interview was one interview.
okay. And the person asked you few C questions and then asked you to write a program.
Yes,
And
yes.
a program on paper, or they gave you some system to write the program?
No, no, on paper.
Okay, then what happened?
So then I got to inform that I passed the technical interview. So I went for the HR interview,
So
and there was some normal.
okay, so when this happened, I mean, you came out after giving technical interview, then someone told you that, I mean, someone
Yes,
from your
yes,
college
yes,
told you, and it happened on the very same day?
yes. It was on the same.
Okay, and then you went for the HR round.
Yes.
And what HR discussed?
Some basic HR questions like about reallocation and some basic HR questions. Nothing as such.
Do you recall any questions?
Actually, he was asking about me and questions from my resume. So he was
Hmm.
asking about my hobbies, passions.
Okay. Okay. And then did he spoke to you about any expectations from their end from Wipro towards the
No,
okay.
no.
Did they did he spoke about the package?
Yes, the HR told me that do I know the package? So yes, that's it only.
So you were knowing about it,
Yes, I knew about it.
and how
So
you
I
knew
told him
about
that
it?
I know. I went through the online sites and that's it.
So was it
I
exactly the
got to know.
same?
Yes, that was the same.
And how much it is?
3.5 LPA.
3.5 LPA. Okay. Do you have the breakup as well with you of that?
Yes, I
So,
got
so,
it in my
so
LOI.
okay. How much is the variable, if you can recall?
I don't remember
You don't
actually.
remember. Okay. Okay. No issues. So, okay. So, if you just remember that, how many people were there in that technical round, then how many passed the technical round and went to HR, and how many finally got selected? You have any idea or any approx numbers on the same?
No, actually, all the students were divided into different slots.
Okay,
So in my slot, there were around 200 to 250 students.
Who
So
appeared for the
I don't know.
technical
Yes, who
interview,
appeared for the technical interview.
and you are not aware that how many got offer.
No, no, I
Okay,
really don't know.
okay, fair enough. So, what was the date of joining which HR communicated?
No such communication is there right now.
Okay,
After completing our graduation,
okay,
maybe there will be offer letter.
okay. And when you received the letter of intent?
Uh, After 20 to 25 days of the interview.
Okay, okay. Any other communication which you have got from Wipro till now, other than the?
Yes, we are doing a pre-joining program
Okay,
which Wipro is conducting.
okay.
And so yes, the training is going on online. That's it.
Online training is going on. Okay.
Yes.
And what is that training about?
Um, I got Java as my subject, so
Okay.
I'm getting a training on Java.
Okay. So are there classes which are conducted on online, or it's like courses are already there which are stored and you
Yes,
just go
courses are
through?
already there.
Okay.
Courses are already there. So
Any
we just have
assessments?
to go through. And
Uh,
yes, there are assessment tests and assignments
Okay.
which we need to complete. So yes.
So daily you need to log into the portal and go through the study material, or how it is?
No, this is not necessary. Actually, there is a time limit. As
Hmm.
my time limit is till 30th May, so I have to complete all the assignments and everything there within 30th May. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Fair enough. Anything else you want to tell us on your Wipro experience? What you feel?
No,
I mean,
that
based on
was
your interview, or
interview was quite easy and the HR were very friendly, so nothing to worry about.
okay. Okay. Uh, so the letter of intent you got after 20 to 25 days.
Yes.
Offer letter. Have you received the offer letter as well?
No, 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 no.
You haven't received the offer letter. Okay. Okay. We'll move on to Capgemini. Okay. So, Capgemini, take us through your Capgemini experience, um, when it came, how you came to know about it, and the step by step.
So as I said, Capgemini was also a full campusing. So we got a notice, and within 2 to 3 days there was the first round examination. So we had to
Mm-hmm.
appear for the first round examination.
Okay.
So and in first round there was aptitude round, logical round, and coding round, and an essay writing round.
Okay. And how
That
it
was
was? What was the difficulty level?
it was tough.
Okay.
Capgemini question pattern is tough. So yeah,
So it's the. I
but
think
you
it's the.
prepare well. If you prepare well, you can go through it.
I think it's the most recent one, so you can recall what sort of questions were there.
Yes, it was recent, but actually I
You
don't remember the questions.
okay. Okay. So
Actually, there are so many questions you have to cover up and you have to complete it within a very short time. So it is
hmm,
difficult to remember the questions.
okay. Uh, so on the coding part which was there. So I mean, it would be very helpful if you can recall and tell us that what was specifically in coding round.
For Capgemini, actually, it is a MCQ. There are MCQ based questions, and
Okay.
there are almost 25 MCQ based questions, or 25 or 24, something like that, which you have to complete within 20 minutes. So you have to do it quite fast to complete. So, and these MCQs are based on C, Java, and data structure.
So okay. Uh, so are these theoretical questions which you get, or they are sort of coding syntax which is over there, like or they will give you a error code they will put over there that will this line of code will work or not. I mean, what type of questions are there in these 25
All
questions?
type of questions were there. Like theoretical questions were also there. Two to three theoretical based questions were there. Coding based questions were there. Some error based questions were there. Like what is the error when you running the code? So all type of questions were there.
Okay. And in data structures, in data structure, what was asked?
From data structure also there was some basic theoretical based questions and some coding based questions was also there. Like if you run this code, then what is the output you are getting? There were some options and you have to choose the correct one.
Okay. What was the duration of this exam?
Actually, aptitude round and logical round are combined. So we have to complete both this round within, I think, 40 to 45 minutes. And there are so many questions, so you have to complete it within that time. And in for essay writing section, there was 20 minutes allotted. So we have to complete it within 20 minutes. And for coding section, as I have said, there was 20 minutes. So we have to complete all the coding questions within 20 minutes.
What was the topic for essay writing?
Essay writing, my essay writing topic was children versus parents. So that was the topic.
Children versus parents, as in?
Yes. Like who is doing better, who is facing more pressure. So that was the topic to write
Hmm.
on that.
Nice. Okay. So what happened after that written exam?
After that, we had to wait for some time, and then we got to know our result, like who have passed the first round and who have not. So on the second day, we had our technical interview. So second day we had to go for the technical interview, and
And how
that day
you
also after
and how you came to know about the result of your written exam?
that day
I
on
mean,
the day of the online examination,
okay, you
we
got a
got to
mail
know our
from
result.
okay, you got a mail from Capgemini itself.
Yes, I got a mail from Capgemini itself also, and we got to know the result in the college also.
Acha. So then you next day you had a interview,
Yes, technical interview.
technical interview. So again, it was one person taking the interview or a panel was there?
It was no, only one person.
Okay, what was it like?
It was also quite easy. The HR basically asked me some basic Java questions, and
Okay.
that's it.
Theoretical,
She was asking
any coding related?
theoretical also and coding related also. She asked me to write one or two coding based questions, and after writing some basic syntax, she was saying, "Okay, it's okay."
Do you
Then she was
recall
going
any?
to the next question.
Do you recall any questions?
Uh, I don't really remember what was the statement, proper statement, but
Mm-hmm.
one program was on inheritance. So
Okay.
she asked me to write a program on inheritance, and
Mm-hmm.
I wrote it. And after writing some basic syntaxes, she said that it's okay. So she
Okay.
went to the next step.
And how long was the technical interview?
15, 15 to
15
16
minutes.
minutes.
Okay. And then when you came to know that you have cleared the technical interview,
Yes. That day only we
that day
got to know
only.
that you have,
Okay.
yes.
So what happened in the HR round?
On the next day, we had our HR round. So in HR round also there were some basic HR questions regarding reallocation problem, about my family, about my hobbies. That's it.
Okay. So anything interesting in your hobbies which you have prepared or you know?
No, actually, no such thing is there. Actually, in
Okay.
my resume, there were some points. So she was asking me about those points only.
Okay, so she was strongly referring the resume for any questions
Yes,
which he.
yes.
Okay, so then what happened after the HR round?
After the HR round, within 15 to 20 days, we got a mail from Capgemini, and there was written that I have cleared all the rounds.
Okay. So when did you got the offer till now?
No, just the LOI.
LOI. So and how much is the package in that which Capgemini is offering?
3.8 LPA.
3.8. Okay, and Wipro is 3.25.
3.5.
3.5. Okay, and what is the position which Wipro and Capgemini both are offering?
For Capgemini, there were basically two positions. One was infra and one was non-infra. So I got selected as a non-infra candidate. And
Okay,
in Wipro, there is only one position. So
trainees. Okay,
training.
and what does this infra and non-infra means? I mean, did they told you about it?
Yes, actually, non-infra is basically based on the developing projects and developing coding. That's it. And infra is based on infrastructure. That's it. They have said.
Infra is based on infrastructure. Okay, okay, and you have been offered non-infra, is it?
Yes.
Okay, so okay, and any communication on the joining date till now from Capgemini?
No, 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 no,
No.
nothing else.
Okay, so what you are doing in your this free time? Any trainings which Capgemini is also asking you to do like
No,
Wipro?
no, no,
Nothing.
no.
Okay, so how are you feeling after having two offers?
It feels good. When I got rejected by CTS, it was very heartbreaking. So yes, it feels good
So
when
it's
I.
so it's not a rejection. Don't take it as a rejection. It's always a learning experience, right? So CTS
Obviously,
gave you a learning experience which helped you in clearing Wipro and Capgemini. So
yes, for sure.
how your family is taking it? I mean, are they fine? You have any location preference or family is fine in you, relocating to any
So my
place?
family is also very happy, and
Okay,
I really don't have any like location preference. So
okay,
wherever I get, I can go.
okay. And what is your preference between Wipro and Capgemini?
That I don't know.
But what personally you feel like?
I personally want to join Capgemini actually,
Okay,
but
and what is the reason behind that?
due to this current situation, actually, I don't know what is the condition of each company. So that's why
Acha.
I'm
Hmm.
confused.
Okay. Okay. What else, Susmita, you would like to tell us about your, preparation, what you did, basically for advising other students who are out there who are looking for, appearing for Wipro or Capgemini, what would be your advice?
As I said, I only took help from Prep Insta, FacePrep, such websites. So
Mm-hmm.
that was enough for me. And I think if you go through these websites, if you practice the aptitude questions and logical questions over which are in FacePrep, Prep Insta sites, that is enough. You just
So
have to go through this site. So
so as per you, if you can clear the aptitude and logical reasoning part, the other
and
aspects of
coding
it,
section and
code,
coding
yeah,
sections.
coding section, if you can clear, I mean, if you can learn or you can prepare, then everything is fine with in terms of the interview.
Yes, actually, if you prepare well the coding section, then you will do good in the technical interview also. So
Okay.
yes,
Okay. So, anything else, Susmita, which you would like to, tell us?
oh, that is it
or tell
actually.
the viewers. Okay, thanks a lot for sharing your experience. It helps people immensely. Okay, best of all the best, Susmita, for your new journey with
Thank
either
you.
Wipro or Capgemini, whatever you choose. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
We wish and hope that we come out of the current difficult times soon. Thank you for watching and best of luck in what you are doing now or what you would like to do. Friends, we have launched our new book with the title Cracking the Job Interview. This book can convert your rejection to success at job interviews. The book will benefit any present or future job seekers across any industry and domain. The book is available across all countries on Amazon. Also, you can read this book for free by subscribing to Kindle Unlimited trial. Please check out the description for more details. Thank you once again.